Hello and welcome to Thumbs Up, the photography show. This week we haven't got a full episode for you because we've been working on this, Photo 24.
I am giving the lads helpful tips today. So for example, if they're hiding behind a bush, I'm saying you need to go after you've taken someone's photo, because that's an indicator that you're a professional. I know these things. Bit of B-roll of them taking some photos of bicycles. So we're waiting for an inordinate amount of time for one person to walk by their scene. There, go, go! And you missed it. This.
So as Dave rightly said, we're in London for Photo 24. We're really proud to take on this event alongside Steven Gosling and continue its legacy. An incredible event. We've raised over £1,000 for charity for the Disabled Photography Society and Plant a Tree. And it's been absolutely amazing so far. We've all, myself, Louise and Dave, taken some images this morning. We'll put some of those on screen for you now.
It's humid. Any of that lot that are doing the full 24 hours deserve big respect. Quite excited to see their images, to be fair. Did he just wreck your photo? Did he just wreck your photo?
Bastard. Please do join us next week when myself, Dave and Suggy are in Lofoten for an end of season finale.
This is really posh.
Well posh.
Proper.
Posh.
Now we have actually got a special episode for you on Photo 24, but we're going to let you have a little bit of time off for the summer. So whatever you're doing, enjoy it, and we'll see you on the other side. Cheers, chaps.